10:30 a.m. the result is declared. So the result is very satisfactory one. So we have to celebrate this result along with the students. So I call all the students from the classroom. So let me give the update of the result. Last year 70 students appeared for the examination. Among the 70 students, all the students passed successfully. Among the 70 students, 68 students got first division. First division means 60% and above. A student who scores more 60% or more than 60%, he or she is classed as first division student. So 68 students got the first division. That means their percentage is more than 60%. And among the 70 students, 68 students got first division. One student got second division. Second division means above 30% and below 45%. Sorry, above 45% and below 60%. Above 45% and below 60% is the second division student. So one student has got second division and one student has got third division. Third division means above 30% and below 45%. The result was very excellent one, but last year all the students, last year also more than 70 students appeared for this examination, and all the students have got the first division. No student was failed. So this year also all the students are passed. That means it is called 100% result. That is called 100% result. So now let me give the update of the individual result. Among the 68 students who have got first division, among those students, 4 students have got the distinction. Distinction means their percentage is above 85%. If a student whose percentage is above 85% in the mark sheet, the student is just a distinction. So among the 62 students, everyone silent. Among the 68